So this is Dorman 926959. Okay, this kit includes the engine oil cooler assembly. The only thing you're gonna change from the old one is gonna be, of course, your temperature sensor and the oil pressure sensor. Okay, it has everything. It even includes the gaskets for the intake and also the bottom ones. Okay, so you have everything you need to put it back together. Even the filter itself in there. Okay, so once you clean the inside, all that antifreeze and oil is gonna dry up. It's all clean already. So all I need to do is just bring the cooler, bring it over and put it on. All these inlets are clean. Okay. Give me a second. So this is the one we're putting on. Let's clean this real quick. Make sure you clean the connectors if it was flooded, which is likely the case. I already cleaned them before. Just make sure they're dry, and you know, just so you will get a bad reading on the knock sensors. Okay, so that's it. So it also comes with the bolts that we need for this. Take them out. So everything's assembled already. You know, all the seals are on there, and this little guy right here. There it is. It's on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we're going to put it in there. Just grab it. Pliers. Come on. Come on. There it is. It's in there. Cool. Plug in my cable. It's just much easier if you plug it up here. Alright. Everything's connected. We'll take it down. Alright, beautiful. It's all the way down. Alright. So once we got that in there, we get what we need to tighten it. GoPro, stop recording.